Hello. Today we will look at how to process when an unknown is given related to ratios. When two ratios are given, a proportion is being created, friends. When the expressions 3/4 and x/12 come together, a proportion is formed, and we will look at how to find the unknown of a proportion. There are many ways and methods for this. I will show you the most commonly used and easiest method, the method of equating cross products. We have used this method in our previous lessons. Now we will use this method to find the unknown. Let's examine how we will use it. What will we do? We will look at the product of the ratios given crosswise, friends. So, here, we will multiply 3 by 12. 3 times 12, we will ask, is this equal? We are examining the product of 4 and x, that is, the cross products. Is the product of 4 and x equal? Here, the product of 3 and 12 will be 36. On the other side, we have the expression 4 times x. If we divide both sides by the number 4 in front of x, what will we find? We will have found the value of x. When we divide 36 by 4, it goes 9 times. And on the other side, the 4's will cancel out, leaving x. So the value of x we are looking for is equal to 9. So, for this expression to be a proportion, the number called x must be 9. Notice that 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is equal to 12. This already shows that this expression is a proportion. Let's examine the second expression in the same way. Again, nothing changes. The rule and method are the same. We will find the value of x that satisfies the equality by multiplying 2 with 6 and 7. We are multiplying 2 by x. We say it equals, we multiply 6 by 7. Here, our value is 2x equals what to 6 times 7, which is 42. Again, what do we need to do? We need to divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x. What is our goal? To isolate x, x will be left alone. If you divide 42 by 2, the result is 21. So, in order for the equality in our second expression to hold, 21 should be substituted for x, friends. So what does our last equality say? Again, if we use our method of equating cross products, 6x10. 6 times 10, 6 times 10 equals x times 12. What do we need to do to find x here? We need to divide both sides of the equation by the factor next to x, which is 12. To isolate x, here, look, the product of 6 and it will be 60. We need to divide 60 by 12. When we divide 60 by 12, we get 5. On the other side, x will remain. So in this expression, if we write 5 in place of x, we will say that our equality has formed a proportion, or that this equality can be satisfied. With this method, you can easily reach all unknowns in proportions. In this lesson, we have learned how to find the unknown x in unknown proportions.